Hello Doge family. To be the bearish month in July to absolutely break out to bring a lot of positive vibes to the entire crypto market we are seeing. Mainstream adoption happen at an insane rate. We know that D5 is coming to mainstream adoption. We just know everything is looking up for the entire crypto market guys. Before we go into details, please like my video and subscribe. But especially for Dogecoin guys, what we saw last night was just the power of the people. We saw Bitcoin trying to fluctuate. But what did we see with Dogecoin? We saw the community around Dogecoin become trending on Twitter in the United States. With payment Dogecoin, we saw the community aspect continue to grow way to get pushed forward. And guys, what I'm telling you is I believe the last couple weeks why they have been bearish, while they have been just absolutely a beat down, everyone's portfolio is talking a beating. This is why we have been showing out every single day, because I believe this is the last of opportunity to accumulate at very cheap prices. And I'm telling you guys, I understand. They don't look cheap right now, but when we are sitting over $1 by the end of this year, which I believe is inevitable, I believe that's 100 OK price target to be looking forward to guys, because we have seen prices run up all the way to 75 cents without real mainstream adoption. Guys, understand why. While we have had major catalysts come our way, right, we have not seen that domino effect where we are getting that mainstream adoption, that mainstream attempts that really will send Dogecoin to a different planet other than Mars, which we know we are going to guys. So sit back, relax, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button. Let's jump straight. $1.28 trillion down 7.29. We have been talking about this day. We have been talking about the future contracts, the calls and the puts open on Bitcoin coming to a close, not only for the end of the month but also for the end of the quarter. Guys, we were understanding, we were ready for this volatility. We were expecting one more final week to the downside, which I believe is in guys. So Elon Musk has been tweeting about cryptocurrencies. He's a little bit more slide, but he's come out of the closet, he has come out of hiding, and this tweet explains it perfectly. I have spoken about, and a lot of you guys have also speculated, I'm not the only one who thinks this, that Elon Musk is kind of falling back after that tweet effects weeks ago where it kind of crashed the market even further. You know, maybe the whales were using in sweets this and that and so forth. That's a whole another thing, but the main important thing, because I think because we are in a bearish market, things are kind of going down sideways, they are not really doing anything good. Tweet, even if they are saying, hey, we are going to accept Tesla Dogecoin, really god and important tweets aren't really gonna affect the Dogecoin or mark cryptocurrency market price in a good way when things are bearish. What's gonna most likely happen but it wouldn't affect it as much. So that's the thing right there. So I think he is waiting for the bull run to start again. I think he is waiting for this correction to get over with before he starts to tweet and come out with some really good news. And I think this is actually a reference at Tesla accepting Dogecoin. I could be totally strong. If you look at my videos, and if you watch my videos, you have I called this exact number out. I said, look, the possibility is this: we can either get rejected here, or two, we will break past it and see a bigger breakup. So what happened is we did get rejected, and I said most likely what will happen is we will probably come up to this line and come down a little bit. So this is looking like a potential bottom, but we have to be very careful making an entry in here. This is a very cheap level to get into Dogecoin, so it's an awesome entry even at this level, especially if you are considering they say longer term investment. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, this is not financial advice, it's just my own opinion. But what could potentially happen is this could actually be a bit of a downtrend. We can continue to go further, but I do not think that we would go down to 16 cents. I'm thinking we are going to be continuing to hold up strong at these levels, not only for Dogecoin but for the other altcoins and cryptocurrencies. And we are seeing a bit of volatility, like I said would happen because of the option contracts, the futures, these whales, the bears, they are all trying to diet and bring these prices down, and it's still continuing. Ladies and gentlemen, they are still trying to bring these prices down with FUD, with more news, this, that and so forth. So just expect a lot of volatility today, maybe the next more couple of days, and eventually I think we are gonna bottom out and start to head up strong, because we are gonna be entering into July by next week. Early next week we are gonna be entering into the bullish month of July, so we are going to see what's going to be happening for July. If things take off, we could see the bull run start again. I mean, we are still technically in a bull run, but we are in a correction, so the correction would technically potentially be over in the beginning of July. WHIC would be great to see, and if that were to happen, if that were to be the case, we would potentially see Dogecoin get back to the 40 and 50 cent level. We would see Ethereum between 3,000 and 3,500 TUSIN towards maybe by the end of next month, or it could be a lot faster. We can go a lot higher than that. So those are the type of numbers that we are looking at Bitcoin. We are most likely looking at 42 to 45,000 TUSIN if this bull run continues as this correction ends. But let's go ahead and talk about some incredible pieces. I believe the bottom is in at that 28.5 mark, and I believe now we are about to start chasing to the upside, and I believe now we just really need to break above 36 and start pushing to that 40k mark, guys. I am going out on the limb right here, and I am telling you the way Dogecoin is absolutely holding up this market. I understand we are down 12, but to be sitting at 24 cents while Bitcoin is still struggling around this 32,002 cent mark is extremely bullish in my opinion, guys. Last time we were in these levels we were sitting under 20 cents, so understand, guys, we are seeing a lot of volume, a lot of support Dogecoin, which is an insanely bullish thing to look for the long term. And understand, guys, in the glimpse of just couple of days we saw Dogecoin go from 16 cents to 28 cents, so like we know, guys, the volatility is definitely here and it can be helped on the downside and the positive side. But guys, understand, in my opinion, I'm going out of the lane right here, so smash the like button if you are a part of the Dogecoin community. I'm about to make some bold predictions right here on this channel, guys. I'm expecting to get back above $40,000 in this short time. I'm looking for July to be insanely bullish, guys. So if you guys are ready to get back to being bullish, in my opinion, July is the month for us. I believe we are about to start the bullish uptrend, and I believe we are about to start this second wave to this bull market, and I'm going to predict, guys, that we will be back above 30 cents by the end of next week. Now I will read you the price estimate on another site. Daily Tech Analysis, May 26th, it's a bearish start to the day. Failure to move back through to 35 cents levels would bring support levels into play. Dogecoin fell by 5.43% on Tuesday, partially reversing a 19.43% rally from Monday. Dogecoin ended the day at $0.3465. A bullish start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning intraday high $0.3807 before hitting reverse, falling short of the first major resistance level at $0.3964. Dogecoin slid to a late morning intraday low $0.3226, steering clear of the first major support level at $0.3160. Dogecoin revisited 35 cents levels before easing back. At the time of writing, Dogecoin was down by 1.15% to $0.3425. A mixed start to the day saw Dogecoin rise to an early morning high $0.3492 before falling to a low $0.3392. Dogecoin left the major support and resistance levels untested early on. For the day ahead, Dogecoin would need to move through the $0.3499 pivot to bring the first major resistance level at $0.3773 into play. Support from the broader market would be needed, however, for Dogecoin to break back through to $0.3750 levels. Barring an extended crypto rally, the first major resistance level and Tuesday's high $0.3807 would likely cap any upside. In the event of a broad-based crypto rebound, Dogecoin could test the second major resistance level at $0.4080. Failure to move through the $0.3499 pivot would bring the first major support level at $0.3192 into play. Barring another extended sell-off, however, Dogecoin should steer clear of sub-30 cents levels. The second major support level sits at $0.2918. A sustained fall through the 62% fib of $0.2882 would form a near-term bearish trend from 8th May's swing high $0.7427. Looking at the technical indicators, first major support level, $0.3192 pivot level, $0.3499 first major resistance level, $0.3773 23.6% fib retracement level, $0.5691 38.2% fib, $0.4618 62% fib, $0.2882 guesses are in this direction. Of course, our supporter Elon Musk plays a huge role. We'll all wait and see. Thanks for listening to me. See you next the video.